So the discussions today were a lot about the four sectors, main key areas, and one of the areas that we believe that we have a contribution to is the area of nutrition. Now the product, the Samoa platform that we've developed, we believe one of the issues in people eating unhealthy food is because of convenience. It's convenient to buy canned food and food that's already already processed. But with the product, the Samoa platform that we have developed and made available, we are able to give the convenience to consumers, to buyers, to order local food that's already prepared and it will be delivered to their home. So this is another way that we think we can address the issue of nutrition and NCDs. The Samoa platform has only been available for 3 weeks. So it's quite new, but we already see a lot of our grassroots producers coming on board because they see many benefits to them. One of them is for free, and they have a huge, wide market now where they can display their products. So in terms of the buyer side of things, that's also been a good uptake. The only hurdle at the moment is behavior in terms of digital currency. Now the Pacific is just very used to cash and not used to paying online. So that's one of the hurdles that we're working with, and we have a lot of partners that we are working to try and overcome that. One of the key components to any project or evaluating anything is data or information. The platform that we've developed as well is allowing, and it's already been used for over 5 years, allowing NGOs and government to gather data that's never been able to be captured before, using drone technology, using open source, crowdsourcing the data, using open source technology. But also now that with the Samoa platform, we now have data of the informal sector, which was very difficult to gather before. So we know exactly where the informal sector are participating in because we capture the GPS coordinates, what they're selling because we have all those information at what price range and what product is being bought most often and which product is being left on the shelf, so to speak, so that they can have a look at other ways to sell those. So, and the planning data information that people, organizations like CTA can probably use that information as well to review what is the major products that are being offered and maybe look at ways of funding particular products that are quite popular and are being sold widely. It was very good. We discussed with a small farming group from Kiribati, and we were very interested in how they're trying to promote organic and a niche market product, and they are looking at capturing data and presenting it because they need a lot of data for verification, certification for organic production. And we've done that a lot with women in business in Samoa and Samoan Islands. So we have that experience and we're very keen to give that experience, knowledge that we have, but we know every country is different. So we're keen to learn from them as well, what's different from their market, because that goes into strengthening our service. So connection with Kiribati and Samoan Islands that's very interesting for us to pursue.